Hi everyone, this is Julie Reinhart, and we're going to be talking about Google Tasks today. Google Task is pretty simple. It is just a like a to-do list that you can embed in your calendar, your Google Calendar, or in your Gmail account. So right here, I have my Gmail account, and this is my home Gmail account that I use. So you come over here to the right. Here's your calendar. Here's your keep, and here's your tasks. So I'm going to click on my task, and right here it says, Welcome to task. Let's get started. So I'm going to push the Get Started button, and we got to give it a moment. So now I want to add a task. And for Google Level 1 certification, you're going to have to add a task. So right here, you just push the button, and I am going to give the task grocery store. And within that, I can edit my details, or I can just create it by pushing enter. So if I want to come in here and edit it, I push edit. And in here, I can add all my details. So I'm going to say, what are some things I want in the grocery store? I want toilet paper, Kleenex. I want some, maybe some milk. So that is just for me, so I don't forget. And then you come here, and this is whose task do I want it to be on? Well, I have a list under my work email, so I'm going to put it under Julie Reinhart's list because that's the list that's going to tell me. So I'm going to get it, and I'm going to add the date. Well, I'm going to need it, tomorrow. So I'm going to add that, and it's on there. So if there's anything else, if there's a subtask at that, so let's say dry cleaners are at Giant Eagle, dry cleaners. So and then that way I remember to pick up my dry cleaning as well. So then when I'm done, all I need to do is come up here and close my tasks, and it's already saved in there. So once again, I come in my tasks, I click on it, and here it comes in order of what I need to do. And that is under my Gmail. Now, if I want to do it under my Google Calendar, I come here to my waffle, I click on my calendar, which is right here, and I make sure that this is my calendar, which it is, not too much in there. So I am going to then come over here. I'm going to hit my tasks, and in my taskbar, I can add my tasks, or if I want to see what task I have, I hit my drop down. I come to Julie Reinhart's tasks, and here is my task that I need to do. So then once again, I'm going to close out of this, and if I want to add a task, I just click it, and I hit the plus symbol here. If I come to these three dots, there's more things. I can rename my list. I can delete a list, keyboard shortcuts, but I don't ever use those really. So my next add task is don't forget the awards. And I need that for my son's football banquet. So I added that to my list. I come to Julie Reinhardt's list, and it should be there. And then if you click on it here, that means that I completed it. And if you look here, here are my things I've completed, and it crosses it out for you. So don't forget the awards. I said I completed that. I didn't, but I clicked on it so that you could see that I did that. And then on my calendar, if you see here, it's already on my calendar for me because I created it on my calendar. So I'm going to close out of that. I'm going to click on there. And here is my grocery store list: toilet paper, Kleenex, and milk. And if I want to mark it as complete, I just mark it as complete, and it crosses it off on my calendar. Now, obviously, I did not do that, so I'm going to go back in there and mark incomplete so that it could go ahead in there. And then I can always edit it as well right there within my calendar. So those are, that is Google Keep. Um, it's just basically managing to-do list, and you can do that within your Google Calendar, and you can also do it within your Gmail account just by using our little icons over here on the right. So once again, I click on it, I add a task. My task is meet with Mike. And then, so I'm going to go ahead and create that. And then when I edit it, I come into my edit, I can add details, meet about observation. And then I can go to what task I want. I'm going to put under Julie Reinhardt's list. I'm going to add a date. I'm going to meet with him on the 22nd. And I'm going to go ahead and close out of that. If I go to my calendar, it should already be on my calendar. Now remember, I said the 22nd, so I'm going to close out of there. Here is my Meet with Mike. It's all right there for us. If you have any questions, please feel free to email at jreinhardt@massillonschools.org. Thank you and have a great day.